जुर्म अगर देश की मिट्टी से मोहब्बत, है जुर्म अगर देश की मिट्टी से मोहब्बत, ये जुर्म सदा मेरे हिसाबों में रहेगा। I am here to tell you the history of Kashmir Day. Respected Chief Guest, Commissioner Makran, honorable teachers, and my lovely audience, I welcome you all with the Islamic greeting, Assalamu Alaikum. So friends, as you all know that 5 February is celebrated as Kashmir Day in Pakistan. But very few of you knows that why this day is observed and what's the history of this day. Kashmir, which is the state located in the north of subcontinent, Britishers have sold Kashmir to Raja Gulab Singh in 1846. Currently, the state of Kashmir is distributed in 3 parts. Territory of Pakistan, which includes Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. It is comprising of the 30% of Kashmir. Territory of India, which includes Azad Kashmir and Ladakh, comprises 55% of the Kashmir. Territory of China, which is called as Aksai Chin, and it covers 15% of Kashmir. If we talk about the religion, there are 80% Muslims and 20% other religious followers. Kashmir was a separate state from the British rule. That's why during the 1947 partition of subcontinent, Kashmir remains undivided. But soon, after the independence of Pakistan and India, the Muslims residing in Kashmir demanded Kashmir to become the part of Pakistan. In virtue of this, Raja Hari Singh, the ruler of Kashmir at that time, who had given the permission to Indian army to capture Kashmir, and then the war began between Pakistan and India to acquire the Kashmir. Unfortunately, this dispute is still unsolved. On 1st January, United Nations gave the orders of ceasefire to both countries, and till now, the issue of Kashmir is unsolved. At that time, Pakistan had acquired the 30% of the area of Kashmir, which is known as Azad Kashmir. After this, both countries fought many times on Kashmir issue, and many people lost their precious lives. In the light of these wars, in 1990, the leader of Jamaat Islami political party, Qazi Hussain Ahmad, calls to observe the Kashmir Solidarity Day, and it was followed by the opposition leader, Mian Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, and then the Prime Minister of that period, Muhtarama Benazir Bhutto, has publicly announced to observe Kashmir Solidarity Day. From 1990, Pakistanis are observing Kashmir Day. Show the solidarity with the people of Kashmir. On the occasion of Kashmir, peoples residing in Pakistan, Azad Kashmir and United Kingdom, Pakistanis and Kashmiris, the day is marked by public processions. Special prayers are offered in mosques for the liberation of Kashmir, and hopes that Kashmir issue resolves as soon as possible. Thanks for paying attention. outstanding.